Lawyers of Reddit, what was your oh shit moment in court? Sat in on a personal injury case where the plaintiff broke their leg in an accident and had a doctor on the stand as an expert. The woman's lawyer begins questioning the doctor about their experience with leg injuries. The doctor was a well-known orthopedic surgeon in the area. She asks if he's ever treated a tibula fracture, the leg bones are tibia and fibula, to which he only answers no. Then she starts grilling him with questions about the tibula. After about 6 to 7 questions, she asks, how did you get a medical license and have been able to practice medicine this long if you've never treated a tibula fracture? She begins a small rant about going after his credentials and those that gave it to him, to which he simply responds, there is no bone named the tibula. The lawyer became beet red and everyone in the room tried their best to keep from laughing, including the judge.